Hello dears, today I am going to teach you how to crochet the alphabet C. So we start with the slip knot and then make 17 chains. So we finished 17 chains, after which we go into the third chain and half double crochet in each chain 5 times. So now we have 10 half double crochets. Then in the next chain we make 1 half double crochet, and into the next half again half double crochet, then 2 half double crochets into the next chain, then again 2 half double crochets into the next chain and the next chain, so now we are left with 1 2 3 4 5, and then these 5 chains we are going to make half double crochet, 2 half double crochets into each chain like we did initially when we started the alphabet C. So 2 half double crochets into each chain till the end. So we have come to the last chain, in which we half double crochet twice, and then we chain 2, slip stitch and close it. Close your work. Pull the chain. Neaten your work by weaving through all these stitches. extra yarn, and your alphabet C, alphabet C, is ready. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment.